Ready to turn your dropshipping hustle into a YouTube ads powerhouse? First, fire up your Google Ads account and create a new campaign. Choose the sales objective. This tells YouTube you're serious about generating revenue. Now for the magic targeting. Forget broad strokes, dig deep. Who's your ideal customer? Age, interests, even what YouTube channels they watch. Use detailed demographics and custom intent audiences. Inputting keywords like specific product niches or competitor brands. The more specific you are, the better. Next, craft a killer video ad. Focus on the problem your product solves. Then showcase that product in action. Keep it short, sweet, and action-packed. Think under 30 seconds. Hook viewers instantly. Highlight benefits. And end with a clear call to action. Shop now, learn more. Something that drives them to your store. Optimization is key. Track your ad performance religiously. Monitor clicks, impressions, and conversion rates. YouTube provides detailed analytics. B-test everything. Different headlines, different visuals, even different calls to action. See what resonates best with your audience and tweak accordingly. Adjust your bidding strategy. Start with manual bidding to get a feel for the landscape. Then experiment with automated options like target CP or maximize conversions once you've got some data. Remember, consistency is vital. YouTube ads for dropshipping isn't a set it and forget it deal. It's an ongoing process of testing, analyzing, and refining. Do this and you'll see your dropshipping business explode.